This brief video shows how you can automatically file Outlook emails to SharePoint Online document libraries using filing tags. It's relevant to organizations where previously emails were being filed automatically to on-premises SharePoint document libraries using the email addresses of those libraries. But after moving to SharePoint Online, you cannot use those library addresses. So instead, the solution is to use MacroView filing tags. Each tag identifies a SharePoint Online document library. The tags are inserted in the subject of emails, and an email with the filing tag is saved automatically to the corresponding library, the one identified by the tag, as that email is received or sent. Let's take a look. We're in the inbox for a user called Jane. There are 2 emails currently in that inbox. An email has just arrived in the inbox. It's got a filing tag in its subject, and as we wait, we see that it's been automatically saved to SharePoint by CEF, which stands for Corporate Email Filing. That filing tag has caused this incoming email to be automatically saved to a particular document library in SharePoint Online. We can see those document libraries on the right of our Outlook screen. The library where the save occurred is this one. If we go to the emails view, we see that the to, from, received time, and subject, as well as whether or not the attachments are present, are automatically recorded as the email was saved. We also see a formatted preview, including the attachment and the text of the email. Back in the inbox, we see that another email has arrived, another email with the filing tag, and it's also been automatically saved to SharePoint by Corporate Email Filing. The filing tag is different to the one we saw previously. It's got IMP rather than EXP, so we'll find that the automatic save occurred in this particular library. Here is the email. Again, the to, from, and subject have been automatically recorded, and here is the text of the email that arrived in Jane's inbox. Back in Jane's inbox, let's forward this email to another user and see that the filing tag, which is in the subject, will also work when the email is sent. Quickly going to the incoming inbox for that other user. Here is the incoming email from Jane with the filing tag in the subject, which also has been automatically saved to SharePoint. The location for that save is back in our IMP area. And here is the email, the one from Jane to that other user, with the word forwarding in the text of the email. Again, if we look at the emails view, we see that the to, from, received time, and subject have automatically been recorded as the email arrived in that incoming email box. Well, we've seen how the saved emails are marked with a Save to SharePoint category, and we've also noted that the attributes of those emails, the to, from, so on, have been automatically recorded as the emails are saved. There's no prompting of the user. We'll see in a moment how those attributes can help us to filter and search for emails that are present within our SharePoint Online environment. The other good news is that MacroView automatically prevents duplicate copies of any email in any one library. This library has 6 emails. We can use the Find Files box to look for an email or any emails whose text contains the word collaboration. Looks like only one email does contain that word, and here it is down the bottom of the email. We can clear that filter, and we can say we're only interested in emails that are from, for example, from Jane. In addition to this ability to filter, we also have the ability to search. We can find emails where the automatically recorded to contains a particular name, or where a particular word is in the body or one of the attachments of the email. And this search works across the whole SharePoint Online environment, not just a particular library. Well, MacroView makes it very easy to insert a new filing tag into an email. You can do this by simply dragging and dropping an email to the library, and the corresponding filing tag will be appended to the subject of that saved email. It's also important that you do not need new filing rules as you create new document libraries, providing the new libraries have a consistent URL structure. Here's an example of a filing tag. This first part identifies the MSC organization. The second part a site called US Departments, the third part, another subsite called Import, and then a subsite called Client Services. That filing tag will cause an incoming or sent email to automatically be filed to a document library with a URL like this. We're back in Outlook looking at the document libraries for our automatic email filing environment. Let's go to the Europe area, which we haven't used before, and expand the import site. We see that there's a subsite called Accounts, which has a document library called Help Me Bill. If we go back to the inbox and drag an email across to the Help Me Bill, we note that the corresponding filing tag has automatically been inserted into the subject of that email. Subsequent emails in this conversation will automatically be saved to this document library as they are sent and received. Well, as we've seen, MacroView filing tags are an easy to use and efficient way to automatically file incoming and sent emails to particular document libraries in SharePoint Online. Use these details for more information about MacroView solutions for email filing in SharePoint and other MacroView solutions for generating and managing documents and emails in SharePoint and Teams.